In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear blower motor on this Ford E-350 van. It's located all the way in the back behind the panel on the driver's side. Let's get started. In the very back of the van, behind this panel on the driver's side, you'll find that blower motor. So let's take a 1/4-inch socket and remove the 4 screws that hold this panel on. Remove the panel. In your case, the panel actually might have some clips of some sort that is held on with. It looks like my screws were not actually the factory mounting hardware, so whatever you have to remove to get access, do that. We now have to work on freeing up these panels a little bit. We need a little bit of extra space so we can actually pull that blower motor out, so we need to basically be able to pull them away from the body of the van. To do that, start by peeling off the weather stripping around the opening. This will expose all the push clips that the panels are locked in with on the end. Starting from the bottom, remove the push clips with a trim tool. We're going to have to go all the way up so that we can peel away this top panel as well. They sit one on top of the other, so we need both to be able to move. Start by peeling away the top one. This should give you space to move this bottom one far enough out of the way. Let's unplug the blower motor. This is the connector right here. Pry on this tab and separate the connectors. Then there are 4 8mm mounting screws holding this blower motor on. So move the wire out of the way. There's a hose here that we'll have to disconnect. Just pull it aside. 3 on the top and 1 right down here. Remove all 4. Now remove the blower motor, and there it is. Take your new blower motor and put it back in. Make sure everything lines up as it should. It has this flat area that needs to sit on the bottom, just like that. And then you're going to want to start all of the mounting screws back in. Now, before you tighten any of them, you want to make sure they're all started so that you can center this properly and make sure it's in position correctly. Tighten up all the screws now that they're all started. Reconnect the electrical connector. This little piece of hose that was here for venting purposes, you want to make sure you put that back. It goes right around the base of the blower motor. There we go. It's time to reassemble the trim pieces that we took apart. So put back the push clips right on the edge here. Make sure they all press in, and if yours broke while removing them, replace them with whatever fits in here so that the panels can be secured and not rattle around. Put back this weather stripping. Make sure it fully seats inside of this channel. At the bottom, tuck it underneath this plastic trim. Put this panel back in, and whatever you had securing it, reinstall that, whether it's clips or whether it's snapped in. For me, I just had 4 screws. And there you have it, blower motor is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.